Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in to your TCF Bank's online banking account. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar type in tcfbank.com and hit enter. Then it will take you to the official homepage of TCF Bank, where on the right side of the screen you can see the login box. So in order to log in, first of all select your account type. It may be personal banking, small business banking, commercial banking, credit card, online brokerage, online loan payment, or online loan payment. So choose your bank account type, then enter your login ID, password, and if you click next, you will be successfully logged in to your TCF Bank's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.